Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And this is my profile. And most of the followers we are saying for me to solve this question that I put in my profile. Okay, so this is the solution of it. Just watch till the end. It reads 2 raised to the power root 27 multiplying by 8 raised to the power 75 divided by 4 raised to the power 48. Everything raised to the power with x divided by 5 equals 64. Now to find the value of x, the first thing that we have to do here, let's do solution. Then we say let's just try to, this is indices and sorts. Let's try to express all these sorts that we are seeing into single sorts. Okay, now to express root 27, then this becomes, we know, let's just find two numbers. This is 9 times 3. Finding two numbers that if you are multiplying them, you're going to have 27. That is 9 times 3. 9 times 3, 27. This is a perfect number. Okay, now this becomes root 9 times root 3. Okay, now if you say the square root of 9, automatically the square root of 9, you are going to have 3. So then this becomes 3 root 3. Okay, so now it means you have already expressing root 27 in this form. Similarly, let's express root 75. Say root 75, this is equals, the same thing implies, let's try to find two numbers. Multiplying them, we are going to have 75, but one should be perfect number. That is the square root of 25 times 3. That is 25 times 3 giving it 75. This is equals root 25 times root 3. This is equals, the square root of 25, we know this is 5, becomes root 3. So now we are expressing root 75 into this form also. Similarly, let's express root 48. We say root 48, then this becomes root, two numbers again, that is 16 times 3, giving us 48. Then we know 16 times root 3. So the square root of 16, we know it is a perfect number, giving us 4 root 3. Okay, so this is the first step that I have to do. Now we are expressing all these sorts that we are given into this form. Now we can say recall that now instead of 2 raised to the power root 27, we already having it as 2 raised to the power 3 root 3. Okay, multiplying by, instead of 8 raised to the power root 75, now we have it as 8 raised to the power 5 root 3. Then we divide everything. Let's just divide everything by, we divide everything by, instead of 4 raised to the power root 48, we have it already as 4 raised to the power 4 root 3. Okay, then we have everything raised to the power root x divided by 5 equals 64. Okay, so this is the first step that I have to take. Now it continues. Now let's try to apply indices also. Let's try to express this 8, this 4, and this 64 into its index form. That is, we say this is 2 raised to the power 3 root 3. It has already been expressing, multiplying by, this is 8, and we know we can express 8 in its index form as 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 root 3. Now we divide, we divide everything by, this is the same thing, 2 raised to the power 2 into 4 root 3. then raised to the power root x divided by 5 now equals 64 also can be expressing as 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, it continues. Just watch to the end. Now here we have 2 raised to the power 3 root 3 multiplying by 2 raised to the power 3 times 5, it is 15 root 3. We divide everything by 2 raised to the power 2 times 4, it is 8 root 3. Then everything raised to the power root x divided by 5 equals 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, this is 6. Then from this point, what are we to do next? We apply multiplication law of indices. This and this are the same base. Then what are we to do? We take one base of them. Now we are going to take one base of them, then we add their powers. Now adding 3 root 3 plus 15, that is to say 3 root 3 plus, we are adding their powers now, 15 root 3. Now we divide by 2 raised to the power 8 root 3. Then everything raised to the power root x divided by 5 equals 2 raised to the power 6. Now from this point, we have, this is 2 raised to the power, adding this one giving you 18 root 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 8 root 3. Then raised to the power root x divided by 5, everything becomes 2 raised to the power 6. Now from this point, let's say it continues. It continues from this point. Okay, now from this we apply division law of indices, taking one base and subtract their powers. That is to say 2 raised to the power, now we subtract their power, we say 18 with x with 3 minus 10 minus 8, this is 8 minus 8 with 3, we subtract their powers. Then everything raised to the power with x divided by 5 is equals 2 raised to the power 6. Now subtracting, giving you 2 raised to the power 10 with 3. Then raised to the power with x divided by 5, this is equals 2 raised to the power 6. Now we apply power law of indices. This is a power and this is also a power. And power law of indices stated that whenever you have a power and again raised to another power, just multiply 2 answer, the 2 powers for you to have your answer. Then we see 2 raised to the power 10 root 3 multiplying by root x, this becomes 10 root 3 multiplying by root x divided by 5. This equals 2 raised to the power 6. Now 5 goes into 10, this becomes 2 raised to the power 2 root 3 multiplied by root x becomes 2 raised to the power 6. Now you can find out that the bases are the same, so this base cancels this other base. Then what remains, it is root 3 multiplied by root x. Okay, then this is equals 6. Okay, now we divide both sides by 2. We divide both sides by 2. So this cancels. Then automatically what will remain is root 3 root x becomes 3. Now we divide again both sides by root 3 root 3. Then if you divide both sides, you are going to have, this becomes root x is equals 3 root 3 root 3. Now we square both sides. Want to get rid of x, squaring both sides like this, automatically the value of x becomes, this is x now is equals the square root of 3 square giving us 9 divided by, now the square root of 3 raised to the power 2, you know the square is cancelling this square root, then what will remain is 3. then automatically we say x here becomes 3 into 9, giving us 3 respectively. So it means the value of x that we have to find in respect to this problem, this is my profile, becomes 3 respectively. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.